This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 52 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're just fitting one little bit to our new dashboard that we've got. We were doing this last time with the pedals, if you remember. This is going on there, I believe, that way round. I can't quite tell, but it fits best that way round. And there is just a single screw that holds that in place. Through the back there. Get the screw on there properly again. There we go. That on there, screw in the back. Just like that. So there we have that. Sort of, I don't know exactly what it is, but it's sort of, I don't know, some sort of cover or something for it. Get that tightened up. And then we are done for another issue. That's going to end up going on there. About like that, maybe? I don't know, maybe higher. But certainly around there, somewhere like that. Soon. But for now, that's that issue done. So let me clear this out of the way and we'll have a look at this month's magazine. So volume 14 of Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. We'll have a look through. We've done half of the build already. So you'll be aware of the first piece of that from last time and this time. So next time we are fitting some more pieces to the dash, the metal surrounds and things. All good stuff there. So that's going to end up looking like that. And then the time after, looks like we've got a fire extinguisher to build, and then fit. The fire extinguisher didn't fit, but the dash is fitted to the floor pan, which is all good stuff. I like having more parts put together. Yeah, let's have a look. Looking for an audience. I don't know. That's obviously the original Gone in 60 Seconds. Stories about that. Then we've got Donny Astriki, Memphis' best friend. But yeah, he's the one that came and found him in the end, wasn't it? Let him know his brother was in trouble. So that's that. The files, obviously another story from the filming. And the cars with women's names. Rachel, which is the 1998 Infinity. Small car, not really particularly high end, like a lot of these are. Then again, some of them aren't. Although Nadine is a little bit more a Ferrari. Very Porsche-like, the front of that. That's that. And we've got more about the classic Mustangs. The Ford Mustang 3 is all we've got to look at today. Next time, what have we got there? I can't make out what any of those are going to be, really. I'm assuming more internal floor panels and possibly bits that go around the wheel arches, maybe. Don't know. We've got the engine and the chassis all built, haven't we? So at some point we're going to have to start building the outside pieces, but don't know. So that'll be next time. But there are still issues of this. I've got those two things to build and get the interior a little bit more built up. So join me for that next time. But apart from that, I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.